Okay, this video is going to be about upgrading this computer right here, which I first built in 2008, and I've upgraded a few times since, but the last time it got a major upgrade was probably around 2012. It got a Intel Core 2 quad-core, one of the first quad cores available, and it hasn't been updated since. So I got some goodies for it. I've got the new AMD Ryzen, and this can be overclocked all the way to 5.4 gigahertz, which the fastest I ever got the CPU in this to go was 3.6 gigahertz. Got a MSI motherboard. Some DDR5 RAM, kind of a cheaper cooler, kind of on a budget for this build. And a 1 terabyte solid state hard drive. Everything's so dusty in here. So, looks like I had 4 gigabytes of DDR2, 1066 for the speed. These are 1 gigs, so I had 6 gigs total. Not sure why I didn't go for the full 8, but that's what I had. Wow, I can't believe the dust that's in here. I guess I'll show this too. This was Asus cooler, Silver Knight, all copper. Pretty cool design. One thing I'm not replacing that I hope doesn't end up biting me in the ass is the power supply. I am reusing that. Maybe it's a bad idea, I'm not sure. I guess I'll find out. We'll be reusing this graphics card. Guess it's a Sapphire. Let's see. R9 280. So honestly, it's been so long since I've done this that I don't really remember how this stuff comes apart. So I guess it's a good thing I'm making a video. Damn, that was tight. Okay, there it is. Asus P5E. Alright, so let me take out the new motherboard. See what we're working with here. Okay. Looks to be relatively the same setup. So, looks like I got two plugs up here now instead of just one. So I'll have to figure that out. And this other stuff looks the same, so that's good. Okay, so I may have a problem. I'm not sure yet. I only have one of these on the old motherboard, and on the new one there's two of them. Now the power supply I have only has one of these plugs. I'm not sure if I need both of them to run the other board or not. I guess I'm gonna put it together and see what happens. Okay, so I am getting it figured out. It's a little tricky just because it's been so many years since I last messed with computers like this. But let's see, I got both USBs for the case hooked up. I got the power, the reset hooked up. I got the hard drives hooked up. Main power here. Still unsure if I actually need two of these or if one will do. So yeah, that's what I've got. Gonna hook up the hard drive, the memory, get the CPU in here. See what I need to do to get the CPU in here. Hopefully it comes with compound.